Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring beautiful crochet room decor design ideas that can instantly add warmth, charm and personality to any space. Whether you love modern, boho, minimalistic or cozy farmhouse styles, these crochet curtain creation can transform your room into a handmade masterpiece. Let's begin with crochet wall hanging. These stunning decorative pieces add texture and artistic beauty to empty walls. From simple geometric pattern to intricate floral design, crochet wall hanging create a cozy and elegant atmosphere in any bedroom or living room. Next, we have crochet cushion cover. Handmade cushion cover are a wonderful way to refresh your sofa, bed, or favorite chair. Granny square design, floral motifs, texture stitch pattern can add color, comfort while showcasing your crochet skills. Another beautiful idea is crochet plant hangers. Indoor plants look even more attractive when displayed in stylish crochet holders or viewers for the interruptance. This saves space, add a natural touch, and create a trendy bohemian look that is loved by home decor enthusiasts. Crochet tables, runners, and table mats are also excellent room decor options. These handmade pieces bring elegance to dining tables, coffee tables, side tables. Delicate lace pattern or colorful modern design can completely change the appearance of your space. For those who love soft lighting, crochet lampshades and lanterns covers are perfect choices. The intricate crochet pattern create beautiful shadow and a warm, relaxing ambience during the evening hours. Don't forget crochet baskets and storage organizers. These practical and decorative items help keep your room tidy while adding a stylish handmade touch. They are perfect for storing yarn, books, toys, cosmetics, or even essentials. Crochet rugs are another amazing decor ideas, whether placed beside the bed, under a coffee table, or near an entryway.